Do you ever feel like your browser is slowing you down or you want to clear all your browsing history? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your browsing history, no matter which browser you're using. So first up, Google Chrome. Let's fire up Google Chrome. So the quickest way to do it is use a combination of Control Shift and then delete. So once you open Google Chrome and press on Control Shift and delete on Windows machines and then Command Shift and delete for Mac users, you have this pop-up open. So once this pop-up is open, the first thing is to select your time range. So for me, I'll select the last hour. You can select any option you prefer. You have the last 4 weeks, all time. So there are options. You have to select any option. So for the sake of this video, I'll select the last hour, and then we have some check boxes here that we can check some off or check them on. So I have my browsing history. Yes, I want those deleted, so I'll check them on. And then I don't want my download history deleted, so that's off. I want my cookies deleted, so it's on, and my cache deleted. So once you have all those ones checked, so if you want your passwords that are saved on your browser deleted, you can check this box too. So I don't want them deleted, I'll check them off. After that, delete data. So we have that done. That is done for Chrome. All the data is deleted. So next up, let's fire up Mozilla Firefox. So once Firefox is open, it is the same command, Control Shift and then delete for Windows users, and then Command Shift delete for Mac users. So once the browser is open and then we have a clear browsing data and cookies pop up, you select your time range. As I did, I'll use the last hour and then check up the boxes of which I want to delete. So I have my browsing data and then download history. I have my cookies and temporary cache files. So after selecting or checking all those boxes, you click on clear. Once you click on clear, all those data will be deleted too. So thank you so much for watching the video. After selecting or checking all those boxes, you click on clear. Once you click on clear, all those data will be deleted too. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips.